This one is whipped away by that man. Nawaz hasn't actually got a great piece of it, but finds a boundary behind square. And outside off stump, and it's thrashed through cover. Super cricket shot from Nawaz. Well, he gets smoked straight at the commentary cube.
2 times bigger than me. I should be, look at him, look at him. Look at that. Look at that. That is not a good look. I had you covered, don't worry. Here's another one. This goes big as well. This goes all the way. Manos arriba, árbitro. 6 carreras más.
Door, as we see Hussain thrashed through the offside. That's been pumped for a Maximo. Evergreen at the moment, they've set a good platform and certainly will be helped along by another Maximo off the bat of Nawaz, and he is starting to get out of control. 36 off 14 balls. Praveen pitches it up. Praveen's gone for 6 and 4 off the last 2 balls. Well, that mistake is not coming in this over. Another Maximo. Oh, pace has gone back onto the ball courtesy of Nawaz, and that is his half-ton 50 coming up off only 18 balls. Done it with a minimum of fuss, Rico, but plenty of power on display. Well, he takes one step down the track and creates his own pace. Lovely shot from Nawaz.
So low down in the picking order. Well, that one is not going to be a good, and it's called a no ball. And the misfield out there as well, which is not good, and that's Katrik Chari. This one, it wasn't a good delivery. He tries to get the quicker ball in, gets it wrong. And it's not been hit with any force. Fortunately, it does get bat onto it. This is the first batter who's got a 50 to his name, and he's not happy with that. He wants to go big.
Able to blunt the power of Evergreen. That one's floated outside off stump and beautifully struck.
The final leg area, it's been a superb innings, and this will help. It's a no ball. Balle.
Oh, he's come down the crease and he's hit that one with some level of interest. Just escapes over the hand of Mataba Hakeem. Coming around from long on. It's another Maximo for Nawaz, and he gets ever closer to 3 figures. Malik gives him exactly what he wants. A full ball on leg stump. He's pumped it for a Maximo. That means he's 3 short of the century. Evergreen up to 139. Malik pitches up on a leg stump, and what a wonderful way to bring it up. Nawaz swings him away to the mid-wicket boundary. The umpire signals 4, and he reaches 3 figures in what has been a tremendous display of power hitting, Rico. That is a phenomenal inning.